Ever wonder what it's like in the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean? Down there, the pressure is so intense it would crush a human instantly. It's freezing cold, pitch black, and utterly alien. Yet, life doesn't just exist there. It thrives. Today, we're diving into a world of impossible survival, counting down 10 incredible deep-sea creatures that call this unforgiving abyss home. First up, at number 10, we have the Yeti crab. Imagine living right next to a hydrothermal vent where water jets out at temperatures hot enough to boil. That's the Yeti crab's neighborhood. These vents spew a cocktail of toxic chemicals, but this crab has a unique solution. It cultivates gardens of bacteria on its hairy arms. These bacteria detoxify the vent fluids, turning deadly chemicals into a life-sustaining food source. It literally farms its own food in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Talk about a master chef. At number 9, we meet a true master of the dark, the deep-sea anglerfish. In the midnight zone, there is absolutely no sunlight. So how do you find dinner? You bring your own light. The female anglerfish has a fleshy, glowing lure that dangles in front of her massive, tooth-filled mouth. This bioluminescent bait attracts curious, smaller fish right into striking range. It's a perfectly evolved hunting trap, making the anglerfish one of the most iconic and terrifying predators of the deep. Coming in at number 8 are the giant tube-borns. These organisms are truly bizarre. They can grow up to 8 feet tall and live clustered around hydrothermal vents just like the Yeti crab. But here's the craziest part. They have no mouth, no stomach, and no digestive system at all. So how do they eat? Inside their bodies, they host special bacteria. These bacteria perform a process called chemosynthesis, converting the toxic hydrogen sulfide from the vents into organic matter, which feeds the worm from the inside out. They literally live on a diet of pure chemicals erupting from the Earth's crust. Number 7 takes us down to 13,000 feet, where we find the adorable Dumbo octopus. Named for its prominent ear-like fins that flap to propel it through the water, this octopus is the deepest living of all known octopus species. Unlike its shallow water relatives, it doesn't use ink for defense. Down here, in the crushing dark, it relies on its ghostly appearance and gentle flapping to navigate and find small crustaceans to eat on the seafloor. It's a surprisingly graceful survivor in a world of immense pressure. Before we continue our descent, if you're fascinated by these deep-sea survivors and want to uncover more of the ocean's hidden secrets, take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us dive even deeper into these amazing topics. Alright, let's get back to it. At number 6, we're going even deeper to meet the Hadal snailfish. This little ghost-like fish holds the record for the deepest living fish ever filmed, found at a mind-boggling depth of over 27,000 feet in the Mariana Trench. The pressure here is over 1,000 times greater than at the surface, equivalent to having an elephant stand on your thumbnail. It would instantly crush a military submarine. But the snailfish is built differently. Its gelatinous body, free of air pockets, and flexible skull allow it to withstand this immense force with ease, making it the undisputed king of pressure survival. Our number 5 spot goes to a creature that looks like it came straight from a horror movie, the vampire squid. Despite its name, it doesn't drink blood and isn't aggressive at all. It lives in the ocean's oxygen minimum zone, where most creatures would suffocate. To defend itself, it doesn't squirt ink, but instead shoots out a cloud of bioluminescent mucus. It can also pull its webbed cloak-like arms over its body, turning itself inside out to reveal spine-like cirri. It's a master of illusion and low-oxygen survival. At number 4, we find the otherworldly sea spider. These are not true spiders, but are a class of marine arthropods. The strangest thing about them is how they breathe. They have no lungs, no gills, not even a specialized respiratory system. Instead, they absorb oxygen directly from the frigid water through the massive surface area of their long, spindly legs. Their organs are even pushed down into their legs because their bodies are so slender. They basically breathe and live through their legs. Number 3 is the barrel-eye fish. a creature with a feature so strange, it has to be seen to be believed. It has a completely transparent, fluid-filled head. You can literally see its brain and internal organs. But the most incredible parts are its eyes. They are large, green, tube-shaped lenses that are located inside its head, usually pointing straight up to spot the silhouettes of prey against the faint light from above. When it finds a target, its eyes can rotate forward to focus as it moves in to eat. A transparent head with rotating eyes, it's pure science fiction. Our runner-up at number 2 is a deep-sea jellyfish known as halitrefs. In the dark, it's virtually invisible. But when illuminated by a submersible's lights, it explodes into a starburst of color. The canals that move nutrients through its bell light up like a firework display. What's more, many deep-sea jellyfish have evolved to glow red. Since most deep-sea creatures can't see the color red, this allows them to communicate or attract mates without alerting predators. It's a secret, invisible light show in the abyss. And finally, at number 1, we have the tiny but mighty amphipods of the Mariana Trench. These shrimp-like crustaceans live at the very bottom of the ocean's deepest point, surviving not only the crushing pressure, but also a toxic environment. Scientists discovered that these amphipods have a unique adaptation. They produce an aluminum-based gel that coats their bodies. This aluminum armor protects them from the toxic heavy metals and crushing pressure of the hadal zone, allowing them to thrive where no other crustacean could. From glowing predators to armored crustaceans, the deep sea is home to some of the most resilient and bizarre life forms on our planet. Which of these creatures shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be reading them all and revealing even more incredible survival stories in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.